Hey friends, let's do Morning Train Guitar Lesson by Sheena Easton. I'll talk you through all the guitar parts, all with on-screen tab and chord charts to make it easy to follow along. And with this song we've got a capo on the first fret. So let's make a start. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So for this intro, this is also the chorus. We're just doing G, and our strumming patterns are standard down, down, up, down, up, and that's one bar. So down, down, up, down, up, and we do the G for 2 bars. Then just E minor for 2 bars. Go to an A minor 7, 2 bars. To a D sus4 for a bar this time, so down, down, up, down, up, just to a D for a bar, down, down, up, down, up, and that's our intro, and that's also our chorus. Then we have our verse. Let me play that for you. So we're just starting on this D minor 7 for half a bar. We're going to do down, down, then go to G, half a bar, up, down, up, down, up. And we do that 4 times. So down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. 4 times. Then we're going to a B flat major 7, same strumming pattern. So down, down, A minor 7, up, down, so all half a bar, D sus4 half a bar, down, down to D, up, down, up, and we do that line 2 times from the D flat major 7, A minor 7, D sus4 to D, and again. And that's the first part of the verse. Then we have the second part of the verse. It does exactly the same. The only change here is the second time we play from the B flat major 7 to the A minor 7, we do D sus4 for a bar here. So down, 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 and then D for a bar, down, 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 down. And that's the only difference there, that second half of the verse. Then from there we go back to the chorus, which is the same as the intro, except play it through 2 times there. Then we do the verse again and just the second half. So the D minor 7 to G 4 times, our B flat major 7, A minor 7, D sus4 to D, and then repeat that but with a bar on the D sus4 and a bar on the D. Then we go back to the chorus again. Just do it through 1 time, and then we have the bridge. So let me do that for you. Before we go on, if you're enjoying the lesson, please like and subscribe and say good day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons every week. You can also make a small donation on my Patreon page, and that'd be fantastic. So let's get back into it. So we're starting on this G flat minor at 11. So just play your G flat minor and take your 3rd finger off there. So you've just got 2nd fret E, 2nd fret on the A, 4th fret on the D, and then 2nd on G, B and E. And we're just doing a bar on each of these, and we're just going back to our down, down, up, down, up. Then go to B7 for a bar, E for a bar, A major 7 for a bar. Now just go back to the G flat minor this time, no at 11 bar, B7 again for a bar, E for a bar, E7 for a bar this time, A major 7 again, a bar, D major 7 a bar, B minor 7 a bar, C major 7 for a bar. Then we're going to do the G, and we're just going to do a down, up, stop, E minor, up, down, up, and do that 3 times. Down, up, stop, up, down, up. Then go to D for a bar, D, sus4 for half a bar, and back to D. So we just do from that G there. And that's our bridge there. Then we have our chorus again. We just play it through once, and then the next time through it goes up a tone. So let me play that for you. So we're just doing A for 2 bars, G flat minor for 2 bars, B minor 7 for 2 bars, E sus4 for a bar, and E for a bar. So you can see exactly the same as kind of upper tone. Then we have the last time she plays through the chorus. Let me play that for you. So we're just going up a tone again, this time B for 2 bars, A flat minor for 2 bars, D flat minor 7 for 2 bars, go back to G flat sus4 for a bar, and G flat for a bar. And by that time it's faded out, and there are all the guitar parts there. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Morning Train Guitar Lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.